Hello everyone, I'm Avi and this is my first video on data structures and algorithm. So I'm going to make a playlist on all the algorithms of the computer science. So we are starting with the sorting algorithms that is and in that also insertion sort. So this video will be very concise and very uh, goal oriented that which needs to be given. So in insertion sort firstly we'll understand that what is insertion sort mean. Insertion sort means that something which we are inserting. So let's imagine that there's an array of 5 elements 2, 8, 5, 6, 4. So as the name suggests that something is being inserted into a sorted array. Let's imagine we have a sorted array 2, 4, 6. Sorted I mean that it is in the ascending or else it may be in the descending order. So if I am being given with the 3, then I need to insert at its right place. Which is the right place? Beside 2. That is after insertion, the new array which we obtain will be 2, 3, 4, 6. So in the above example, which is 2, 8, 5, 6, and 4, suppose that this single element is the sorted array 2. Now we'll start with our iteration from here. That is 8. 8. Then our duty is to insert this 8 at the right position which is of the sorted array which is 2. So where will you insert this 8? It will be inserted just beside the 2. Then the new array will be 2 and 8. Then after that we iterate to the 5 and then we'll think about its position. Where will you insert in the sorted array of 2 and 8? Then the new sorted array will be its new position will be 2, 5 and 8. Then we'll iterate to the 6 and we try to insert it into the 2, 5, 8. So we insert this 6 to the right to its right position. Where is it? Beside the 5. So the new array will be 2, 5, 6 and 8. Then we'll iterate to the 4 and we try to insert into the new updated array. So we'll find out its position. Which position should be the right one? That is beside 2. That is the 1st position. As you all know that you might all coming from the CS background. So I am assuming that you might be knowing that the array is indexed from 0. So it is the 1st position. So after insertion we get 2, 4, 5, 6 and 8. So the final sorted array is the 2, 4, 5, 6 and 8. So this is the main algorithm of the insertion sort. Insertion sort algorithm. So now my objective is that how can we achieve this by code. So what can I do? That we were given with this array which was 2, 8, 5, 6, 4. 2, 8, 5, 6, 4. Firstly, I assumed this array to be sorted array. So we'll iterate from the 1th position. So we write this for int I is equal to 1x and I less than nums. Let's this array called to be nums. Nums dot size I plus plus, and will introduce a new variable that is j, which will be the pointer of the which will be used in the sorted array to iterate through the sorted array. That will be the I, that will be initialized with the I. So while j is greater than 0 and as nums sorry nums of j is less than nums of j minus 1, will swap nums of j and nums of j minus 1 and will move this j pointer one step backward. So these two loops will do the same thing which I have done over here. The j pointer is iterating over the assumed sorted array, which we assume this one is the only sorted array. After that, we initialize ith pointer with on the first index, that is 8, that is 1. As j is initialized with the I, that is 1, and j is greater than 0, will move back, and whenever the j is less than nums of j minus 1, that is less than 2, will swap it. In this case, that 2, 8 is greater than 2, so it is not swapped. j j j j minus minus, and the j becomes 0, the loop is over, and the loop will continuously run it, and the final output will be 2 4 5 5 6 8. I hope you understand this video of the insertion sort. This is very concise video, as some guys roam around the internet to get a very fundamental and very concise videos of these topics. So this is for those people. This is not for absolute beginner. Thank you.